Dude, why are you parked over here? Why in the fuck are you parked over here? This motherfucker circles around. That's all I get to fucking say. What the fuck is this bullshit over here? Don't even tell me that motherfucker dead ends back here. Sorry for holding you up. Sorry I kept you waiting.
Good fucking job.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry I kept you waiting. They sent me back up in here like it was a roundabout. Didn't tell me. So, appreciate you.